Hello, in a TED Talk, the creator of the Birds Aren'tReal movement explains how he works to deprogramming the public from the bird lie. That is, he creates signs explaining that birds are not real. For those uninitiated, the Birds Aren'tReal movement claims that birds were once real but have been replaced with drones by Barack Obama in 2001. First conceived by a college student in 2017, the conspiracy theory claims that in the 1950s the CIA was faced with two problems: 1. How to surveil the entire US population; 2. How to stop birds pooping on their fancy CIA cars. The solution may seem obvious in retrospect, but it was, of course, to replace the birds with tiny robot drones to listen into our every conversation. In a stolen transcript from an ex-CIA deputy, she says that the higher-ups were so annoyed that birds had been dropping fecal matter on their car windows that they vowed to wipe out every single. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.